She will never see her pup again. A harp seal pup, born just a week ago. He has little fat. His thick fur is his only protection from the Arctic chill. In between doses, he waits for his mother to return. She has only one pup a year and will produce milk for only 12 days, one of the shortest nursing periods in nature. That is just long enough for him to develop a thick layer of blubber, thanks to his mother's milk, which is 50% fat. And his mother stays alongside while he learns an important survival skill for any seal: how to swim. He may not be keen to take the plunge. The salt water is -2 degrees Celsius after all. Pups start with a doggy paddle. Mum stays reassuringly close. Still developing his insulating blubber, a pup is at risk of hypothermia, so needs to rest and warm up. Each day he puts on another 2 kilos. Since birth, this pup has tripled in weight, and he's now at ease in this curious other world. 12 days gone by. A mother's work is done. In producing milk, she's lost 1/3 of her body weight. Now she must return to her feeding grounds. She will never see her pup again. The next 4 weeks he spends alone, sticking close to the ice platform. But temperatures in the Arctic are now rising faster than ever before, creating storms that break up the ice floes earlier each spring. Harp seal pups are being tipped into freezing waters before they're ready to endure long periods at sea. In some pupping areas, almost none survive.